Hey there, everyone, and welcome to another quick episode of Cooking with Auntie Sonia. I had a fantastic situation this weekend. I was able to travel to help a friend of mine with her family, and we stayed in a hotel. And you know how the funds get, you have to make sure that you can save. So I decided to take along with me my trusty electric skillet, my rice cooker, and make meals to save because it was 4 of us, family of 3 and myself. And the area that we were in is just really, really expensive. So I figured, hey, why not travel with my cooking stuff? So I took along my trusty suitcase. Let's see if I can slide over and grab that. Sorry for the noise in the background. Eek. So I can't flip the camera, so I'm gonna stop it and then start again so that you can see. So here's my big boy of a suitcase. I know it's making a lot of noise, but I just want to make sure that you guys see. So I have a big suitcase, and I pack in there my little travel bag. And as I crack it open, just to show. So I have this. This is my trusty tub. Let me show you how this works. So this is expandable, and you'll see where I'm seasoning chicken in this bowl. Tough when you have only 2 hands and you don't have something. So see, it's expandable, and as always, my favorite color. So it expands into a whole bowl. Then I have my rice cooker, my baby right there. See, no damage at the airport, and you guys know how they throw the luggage. And then I have my trusty skillet, my gloves, and then see my jasmine rice peeking out here. A little ginger, because you know you got to get the ginger tea in. And this is my trusty lunch bag of seasoning. I have a little bit of honey. I have my soy sauce. This is some sugar to make tea for those who want sugar in their tea. I had my Creole seasoning. I'm dropping the stuff in the expandable tub over there. I have my dry jerk seasoning. So I created little canisters. I got these little canisters from Michael's and made my own little tags. These were rush tags. I'll relabel them to make them look a little bit more professional. My minced onion, my jerk seasoning. You know you can't go anywhere without that. I have a little browning that I use for my chicken. Pardon the camera. Little black pepper right there. What else do I have in here? I have my dry thyme. You know, Sister Girl ain't playing when she's traveling. I have my pepper flakes. I have my all-purpose seasoning. I have some sea salt. I have my ground turmeric. My curry powder, my cayenne pepper, my paprika, my minced garlic. What else is in here? Onion powder, didn't use that. And then I have my little bottle of vinegar that I use to wash my fish and my chicken I made. And then I bought some, you know, I buy my fresh vegetables when I got there. I got some onions, some peppers. And if I wasn't able to get those things, I could easily have stuck them in the cooker, and then I bring my utensils. So this is all in my bag. One of the suitcases. I traveled Southwest. I have to get a sleeve for my knives. So I have my knives, my spoons. You know, hold on 1 second here. Don't mind me. I have my trusty spoon here. My trusty knife. And I could have brought a smaller skillet now that I think about it, but you know, just these things going with me made it so much easier to cook it easier. We just cooked right in the hotel room. So I'm gonna go ahead. I started recording a little late some of the cooking that I did because I didn't even remember that I had planned on cooking. I like this knife. I think Val gave this to me. I didn't remember to film because I was serving the family as well as trying to make sure that I prepared meals for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the quick video to this of what I made. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Hey, why not? We're at the hotel. Started late, so we're filming the last piece of what we're doing. What did I put in there already? The garlic. So this is a little bit of minced garlic. You know, you got to travel with your seasonings. Travel with them.
You get this right.
And this is a little bit of thyme. Put a little bit more just in there. That's that. Minced onion. Get a little teeny bit of that all-purpose seasoning. Get all of that marinade. Put some of that in there already. A little dry jerk. You know, you gotta get the spice, right? Alrighty. And we have our cayenne pepper, extra spice. Wonder why I'm seasoning up the pot instead of putting what I'm cooking in there. Well, we're making shrimp, and shrimp cooks in like 5 minutes. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put our shrimp that's already cleaned and deep veined. Just gonna scatter them in the pot. Excuse me. On one side first. You know, Auntie Sonia travels. Put them over here, Haley. We travel with our kitchen. See that? That's our little kitchen right there, baby. That's how we do it. Put it back up here. Put a little bit of this in there. These are little, and I'm not putting a lot because I don't want it too saucy. Last night we made salmon, but I forgot to film it, so. Of course, we have the trusty root gal sauce and the all. So as you can see, zoom in a little bit here. Let's bring it in. You see that the shrimp is already getting cooked. on one side. See that? You don't want it to cook too long. 5 minutes is the most you want it to cook for, so we're gonna move it around in the, and then we're gonna add, this is about 3/4 of a cup of water. Now you gotta make do when you're out on the street. And we'll make it do with that good old, you get it, that's what you know, that Dollar Tree water. That's the best. They serve this on the airplane, so y'all know this is good water. Yeah, you see our shrimp coming together. I'm gonna cover that for a little bit. Yeah. Alright, you can deposit our stock at either. So I'll cook it one more time. The skillet. There we go. Wholesale cooking. Leftover shrimps from yesterday. Hey there everyone, thank you so much for watching. That was a quick snippet of the different meals that I made. I made a crusted salmon with onions and garlic and so forth. The first day I forgot to film that. I can't believe I did because it was so delicious. And then I made vegetables and I made shrimp, sautéed shrimp. And then I made some honey glazed chicken the last evening, and the family thought it was so delicious. And I just absolutely love cooking. It's like therapy for me. So if you happen to want somebody to come and teach you how to cook or cook for you this summer, I love doing quick and easy meals because once I leave, you don't need anything complicated. You just want to be able to make some fun things that you yourself can quickly make. And I love traveling Southwest because they allow you 2 bags free, and I know how to pack light. Hey, book my ticket. Auntie Sonia could come hook you up and cook with you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, alrighty? Bye-bye.